Easter Bunny Buster has got a job to do. He might bring an egg to you. Buster the bus must deliver the eggs. Who will he go to next? Terry the tractor is moving away. Leave him an egg, then tiptoe away. Buster the bus must deliver the eggs. Who will he go to next? Robin is sleeping up in his tree. Leave him an egg, but don't let him see. Buster the bus must deliver the eggs. Who will he go to next? Who's back sleeping? It's Jessie Jeep. Don't wake her up, just leave her a treat. Buster the bus must deliver the eggs. Who will he go to next? He's looking for Digger, who's not far away. Leave him an egg that won't roll away. Buster the bus must deliver the eggs. Who will he go to next? Easter Bunny Buster is tired, it seems. Soon he wakes up and it's all been a dream. But Buster the bus, you're still very lucky. The real Easter Bunny delivered an egg. It's Buster he came to next. It's Buster he came to next.